All right, hello everyone. I hope you can hear me. Can you hear me, everyone? It's good to be live again. So it's another live trading day, and if you've been following for the past 2 days, this was my markup for the pounds USD and also my markup for euro USD, right? My expectation was that price will reject at this level, then go down, possibly go down, right? Because I detailed what I was expecting on my website, clintonos.com, and also on TradingView. I published this also, and also detail what I was expecting. So for the past 2 days, right, as Monday, Tuesday, I was entering trades on a lower time frame based on the assumption that price should go down, right? But price obviously is going up, right? And that has led to losing streak for 2 days. The question now is, of course, if you've seen the title of the live broadcast or stream, right? Should I quit trading, right? Yesterday, while trying to figure out if, by the way, I'll do a video on that. I was able to know what's up, how to figure it out. So yesterday I did say that let's start thinking in probability. Of course, it's a probability game anyways, but let's start thinking in what's that now, series of trade like Mark Douglas suggested in his trading zone course, right? Series of trade, let's say 10, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, right? So if I lose this and lose this, does that make me a bad trader, or should I quit trading? Of course, it all depends, right? Acknowledging that trading is a game of probability, right? Probability is going to go a long way in helping you in your trading journey. Of course, I'm also learning, right? Of course, so it's helping me, right? I'm not bothered if I see a setup today like we're going to be looking at together, right? Of course, I will hit the trigger button for day 3. If I lose day 3, which I hope I will not, right? Of course, I can. So let's say -1, -1, -1. And if my the 4th day and I get maybe 3 arrow, right? That's 3, right? 3 already canceled this 3 previous losing streak, right? So it pays a lot to think in probability, right? With that said, today as we can see, is going up, right? And 15 minutes time frame is my entry time frame. So let's see what's up. Let's get started. I hope I don't get notice for copyright. I hope this is royalty free music. So guys, join us from everywhere, anywhere you are right now. Please join us. Let's do this together. Like, here's what I was expecting yesterday, right? I was expecting price, and of course it makes sense, right? My logic made sense. Not like I was looking for sales anyway, and price was already at that region I was expecting price to go down from. So, and if you look at all this, right, it is a simple what's it called, trend now, right? Lower low, right? Then okay, this obviously is now a lower high, right? But my expectation was this is a low and this is a lower high, right? Lower high. Then I was expecting a lower low. That wasn't a bad expectation. The trade probability was in the favor of the trade, but there is someone out there who feel that is not the right position, and of course those who thought otherwise at least got something out of the day's trading, right? And of course I lost twice, right? Because one of my entry was wrong. So I also learned that if I want to calculate pip, right, I was struggling to do that yesterday. All I just need to do is pull out this, then look at, I think the reason why I hid some of the details, right? So I'm supposed to enable visibility and stacks, right? I think that's the case. Oh, always show stacks. No, don't always show stacks. Okay, no compact view, right? Compact stars mode. Okay, right there, this quantity is what I was supposed to. So if my stop loss is 20 pips, or 20 pips in this case, all I just need to do I also need to enter the account size. So in this case it's 10,000 account, right? So right here, simple, right? You enter, come on. I can't draw that. Okay, what do we do now? Let us know that, okay, what you do is account size. You enter your account size, then your lot size, right, will be determined based on your risk, right? This is the risk I'm taking, because what I just need to do is take 45,309 quantity. So if I am to execute an order, right, I should note, just maybe right click, I want to buy market order quantity. I'll just input 48,309. Then of course this is a limit order anyway, not a market order. So I need to the price level. I need to note the price level, right? Somewhere around 1.23236. So the price level is 1.2 what? Okay, it's even showing 1.23236 showing right there. Then the stop loss is even showing. So everything is pretty simple. No need to stress yourself. I hope this provides what's that? Why is that not? Buy limit, right? stop loss. I think it automatically input. What's this price value here? Let me put. That's 2309. 23029 right there. Then of course take profit. You can do that later. So let's say we are doing this automatically. This equals $100, right? So that's 1%, right? Automatically, right? As you increases your take profit, your risk to reward increases, but at least what is static, what you can predetermine is your loss, right? So at every point you can predetermine your loss. What you cannot determine is your profit. Guys, if you are seeing this live for the very first time, right, please smash the like button. Even if you are not seeing it for the very first time, if you are live with me, smash the like button. All right, subscribe if you haven't, and turn on the notification. Right, so let's take this off. My expectation right now is, of course, price is saying it's going up, right? And if I allow my indicator, we can see we took Asia low right here, then we took Asia high, right? Now the midpoint can be an entry for you if you want, right? This midpoint of the Asia range, price might likely go test it again. Then of course the low, you can target the low if you assume that this is going to be the low of the day, right? Which is technically what I am seeing, right? So that can be the low of the day, right? So if that ends up being the low of the day, I think this is a very good entry in my opinion. So what should be my target? Entry here. Of course, the price action might say otherwise or do something that will make me change my mind, but at least I'm targeting this high, right? Which obviously is my the resistance level, what I think is the target if price retrace. But since price is not retracing, buy my likely just go to the target. So can we get that today? Of course it's possible. So let's just assume that that's our target for now, right? But if price reach this level, or could move stop to break even. So that's the expectation. Let's hope, and of course let's create a pending order from that, right? Everything is set. I'm losing 1%. That's not more than 1%, okay? And all right, so that's actually lower. Let's just leave it at that. So around 1%, right? Cost, same thing applies here, right? Let's say price is going to go back to that that resistance zone, supply zone, right? Cost, price is not obligated to do that. So let's say it's not saying let's enter here, and something price should come out the way again, right? Let's enter here. Let's enter this low, right? Target here for the first time. That's 1-to-1. That's really low. Oops, that's low, really low. Let's do this. So create and enter. Well, that's what I'm expecting. But if price come down and close below this low right there, sorry, this low, right? So my likely change my mind, but notwithstanding, I've entered the trade pending order, right? I think this is too low. Let's do this again. I could have increased the quantity anyway. Let's do this for, okay, more accurate now, right? This is not an invitation for you to take a trade. This is just a demo. It's a paper account, so there's no risk. The paper account, as you can see, paper trading, right? So it poses no risk to you, right? I don't expect you to go do this because I'm not a licensed financial advisor, so don't go and trade this with your live funds, right? If you have a question, please leave a comment. I will really appreciate. Of course, like guys, like the video. Let's help this video reach other people. Of course, I've dished out a valuable information, thinking in probability, right? Because that is psychology aspect of trading, right? So your psychology has to be right, and of course thinking probability. And also I have shown you how you can set your stop loss, calculate your risk and the pip you need to take on TradingView. Really simple, so you don't have to go to the stress of too much mathematical calculation, right? So technically yesterday I was partially right, but I wasn't sure, right? I'll do a full video explaining how you can do that. Anyway, do it manually. Another thing we can do right there is looking at this swing and this swing low, and we're expecting a retracement. If you are so eager to take a trade, let's take this off. I think we already have. Oh, let me leave it because this is also good. It's kind of like a short, very little trade to your entry. That's 1-to-1 or months 2-to-1. Let's stick with a one directional trade. Let's leave that for another day. So I have my pending order set on my challenge account, right? I'm not taking any trade for my funded account this week at all. Not a single trade. Although the funded account is down about 3% also, but I'm not taking a trade. I've not seen the setup I've seen so far. They are not A+ to me, right? They are not A+. That's why I haven't. But they are set up, they are valid setup, but they are not A setup for me, right? That's why I didn't take trade on my, at least my funded account. that is already funded, so I need to treat it as such, right? Can't take just any setup, right? But challenge account I can take any setup, because what do I have to lose is the challenge fee. Apart from the challenge fee, nothing else, right? So guys, you're welcome wherever you're watching from. I appreciate if you leave a like, comment, right? To be interesting. Welcome to live forex trading. Right, please leave a comment. And like this video, right? Just leave a comment. You can say anything. You can say hi, hello. Just leave a comment to help YouTube algorithm suggest this video to other people, right? I need to have a lot more viewers, right, on my live, and I want to be able to communicate with you, and I hope you also want to communicate with me. I don't know if the title is optimized enough for YouTube algorithm to suggest this video to others. If you have any suggestions for title, please let me know. If you can all hear me, also let me know. To be interesting to hear from you. Even if it's I, just say I, or hello, or type 1. If you can see this, say 1 and type 1 to like the video. Just comment. Comment, guys, comment. Comment, guys, comment. Comment, guys, comment. Or maybe the comment is of course comment is open to everybody. Let me see the settings. It's open to everybody, I guess. Not sure I'll be able to edit. Of course, comment when it's open to everybody. Anyone, right? Anyone can participate, send message, right? Of course, anyone can do that. So I see no reason why I'm not seeing comment. If you're seeing this, please comment, guys. Comment so we're able to see this. So this hits the target without taking us in, so this is invalid right now. That's the good setup yesterday, right? I saw that there's a possibility of it going up, right? So, but I wanted a pullback, right? Pullback is always good. Pullback gives you a better entry, but it can also make you lose entry, right? There's a very, very high possibility you might not get triggered, right? So that was the case for the, what's it called? So you miss a trade, right? Because You miss a trade. Missing a trade is part of the trading journey, right? You're gonna miss trades, right? And don't forget that price can also reverse from this level, right? There's very possibility price can also reverse, but the possibility is very slim because yesterday was really bullish beyond my expectation. What I thought was, since this confirmed this swing low, this swing high rather, right? I was hoping price to at least it's a very valid assumption. It just didn't work out. So not that the assumption was invalid, but very valid assumption. So you can see price close really bullish, telling us that there's a possibility it's gonna go up, right? If I measure it, possibility is gonna go up, and even if we are gonna reverse, we'll be reversing from this level, and of course or the take profit level, right? White, but we can't see white here, so I have to make this black. All right, then let's make this okay, orange. I think that's better, right? So these are the assumptions for now. So technically my price might just go up without taking us in. But let's hope our dear price will come and take us in. Of course, today is expected to be a slow day because we have just pending, what is it called? Pending home sales report for today. Then I think tomorrow will be very volatile because we're expecting CPI, preliminary CPI for German, that will affect the euro, and of course the final GDP for US dollar and unemployment claim. So around 130 we should see a really good volatility, right? We see volatility. Excuse me, let me take. So guys, leave a like, comment, just say something in the comment section, say hi, or wow, I got one like. Thank you so much. Thank you, I appreciate. Thank you so much for the like, I appreciate. Thank you so much. I need more like, guys. I need more like. I need more like, comment please. Maybe my stream latency, I need to change. Maybe I need to change it to low latency. But if the latency is really why comment is not coming, or YouTube is not recommending the video to others. YouTube, please recommend this video, please. YouTube algorithm, please recommend this video to others. Recommend this video, please. YouTube algorithm, if you can hear me, YouTube algorithm, if you can hear me. YouTube algorithm, if you can hear me. Refer this video to others, please, 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 please. Please help me grow. YouTube, help me grow. Help me grow. I want to grow, dear YouTube. I want to grow. Help me grow. I hope YouTube algorithm is gonna do that for me. So it's 12 noon, no pullback, and of course, okay, 12 noon my time. That should be New York. That's around 7 a.m. New York. So 9:30 the CMA will open. $9:30. So stock exchange will be open 9:30. So there should be volatility. The big money, guys. The banking crisis, if you're affecting the liquidity, is the funds low? Is the funds low? We need funds. We need to move. We need movement. We need movement. We need movement. Remember, we have a framework, right? Despite the fact that price is going up, we still have a framework, and this is the framework. So my likely see rejection again, maybe at this level and go down, right? The week is still very early. This is just, and this perhaps my span. Look at how long it took to get to this level. Took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 trading days. And to form this low, it took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think I can do that very easily, right? Rather than counting. I think there's a tool on TradingView to count the range. So why stress myself? It took 27 days, 19 bars. Bars should equal days because each day represents, why is it saying 19 and 27? Which is accurate. Let's manually count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Wow. So 19 bars is actually why. Then why the 27 day? So it's 19 days actually, not then go 20. Okay. It says 19 days. All right, 19 days, 19 bars, 19 days. All right, so but why did they show 20? I don't know, guys. If you know why, please comment below. Let me know. I want to learn from you. It will be a privilege to learn from you. So please, guys, let me know. Back up. So I have two cameras, which is better. I have the Canon EOS 25, that's 250D. Then I have the Logic Cam I think this is a logic stream cam right there. I'm wondering which is better. This cam looks, I think it looks a bit, looks okay, right? It's not bad. Then we have this. We have this. This DSL, what? Is it DSLR? Yeah, I think it is. Please guys, let me know what it is. It's Canon EF 250D. What is it, guys? If you know, please let me know in the comment below. We be appreciated. And leave a like, comment. Let's help this message go viral. You can just leave a like, comment. You can just say hi, hello, me, today, thank you, goodbye, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from. Just let me know what's up in the comments. This is do you want us to go lower time frame to scan for setup? Because we can, but you know, lower time frame will lead to many failed trades. Like from a lower time frame now, we are taking a sell right there, generic anyway, then stop right there. And if I target my entry, that's just 1-to-1. If I target this low, that's 3-to-1. And of course you can see it's losing, right? Why take a sell when you price is going? That's what I did today. You don't have to, right? All you should be looking for is a buy position. So if I want to be aggressive, I want to enter the trade by all means. This should be an entry for me. Of course, that will give us pretty something nice, even bigger R, but the probability is slim because it's a lower time frame, right? But it's all good. My workout. Who knows, if price decides to just continue upward, might work out. So we have this trigger very, 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 very soon. The principles are the same, right? What you get on a 1 minute time frame is what you get on a yearly time frame. 12 months, right? It's basically the same thing. We don't have enough data here, but it's basically the same thing. If you go to old chart, you see it. It's basically the same thing. The movement is the same. Just you capitalizing on the pattern that you know. That is, whenever this happens, this will happen. Whenever this happens, this will happen. That's capitalizing on what you know, right? So funny enough, this might end up working out. Funny enough. Uh-oh. Dun. The thing is, this might not even work out, and this might end up working out. But it's better to take this. At least you know that you are working with a pullback mindset, right? You know that if price gets to this level, at least should give you something, right? It's better than this. Because if you are open for a retracement, we should say one leg, right? That's ABC, right? ABC down. So you are at the risk of being taken out, right? That's buying early. Right? Risk of being taken out. So this is the main entry. So if price closed below my entry, there's a very possibility price is going to take my stop. Right? But what can we see? Price is reacting. Maybe. Please leave a like for me. Comment. Don't make this boring. All right, so you can see the 5 minutes is working out. So that's even no 1-to-1. It will be 2-to-1. This will be a nice one. Can get 2-to-1, but the probability of taking this swing high, let's just say, even if you take this, that 3 arrow, that 3 arrow will cancel our previous loss now, right? Let's hope it's gonna work out. Excuse me, guys. Let me go grab. All right, so this end up being 2-1, right? If we take this out 2-1, let's hope probably might just continue upward. But right, the rejecting of this fair value gap. Okay. I still feel this is a better entry for a better risk to reward. But it's looking good anyway. Looking good. Let's see how it goes. Nobody's watching. Where are you guys? Probably this is not the best time for live streaming. When is the best? What's the best time for live streaming? Let me know. Maybe this is not the best time for live stream. YouTube is not receiving enough. What's going on? My internet is crazy. Yes. Well, let's see how it goes. So this is supposed to be a sniper, right? It's supposed to be a sniper entry now. I'm happy. Price didn't close below my entry. Price has closed below my entry. It was there been a very high possibility price is gonna take out the low. So you see, knowing what you are doing is really nice. Like I said, if you are taking a sell setup, look at what would have happened. You'd have lost out because the trend is going up. What I mistake I made yesterday, right? Trend is going. It was up. Yeah, it's going up, and I think yesterday, right? This tree should be here now, right? I showed you guys earlier. For those of us who have not seen, okay. The price was going up, but I just assumed price. I assumed price, but my assumption was wrong anyway. A very nice setup. Very nice setup. Oops. Why not give us a 3 arrow? Let's quit for today. This is a liquidity, so should easily get a 3-hour trade. Benefit of lower time frame, you get bigger reward because your stop is small. This is about 2 pips of loss, right? If I'm not mistaken. Since it's 2 pip, right? Yeah, around 2-3 pip. Go up, go up, go up, go up, go up. Let's take this for now. So this should already be break even. So if it comes down, we lose nothing, right? So today is a good day, although I didn't execute it on my my paper trading, right? There's my execution pending. But notwithstanding, if this works out, it's also this is a paper trade, right? It's also a paper trade. I think my network is slow. Maybe I should switch network. OBS reconnect, don't worry, I just switch network. Let's see if this will be better. Ooh. I think this will worse. Why is Starlink not that good for streaming? Starlink quality for streaming is poor. Totally poor. Let me go back to my other network. Oof. All right, so I have 3 risk to reward. If you want me to break down this setup, please leave a comment. Even if the live stream is not and you watch the recorded version of it, please just leave a comment. I will do a review how I came about this, right? All right, so Hydrate thyself. Is this a good hydration? Nutritionists on the live chat, please let me know. Our dietitians, our health experts. Is this a good? Of course, I can't show the label because I'm not affiliated, neither am I sponsored, right? But it's an energy drink. Maybe I should just take off. All right, so it's an energy drink. Is it a good hydration? Should I be getting water? All right. Goodness, what just happened? Oops. Is there a news relief? So congratulations to all of us who believed in this, although I didn't take it. Painful, but we can see. This is brutal. This is brutal. 6 hour brutal. And it happened so quickly, so take out that trade right there. Brutal. It's painful. Brutal. Who else was positive about that setup? That's brutal, bro. Brutal, really brutal. Really brutal, bro. So brutal. That was brutalious. That was brutal. That was brutal. That was clean. All right, guys, if you took that trade, congratulations. Whoops. That was brutal, man. So you see, when I started, I talked about probability. But taking this trade on this account would have been back to normal, right? So one win recovered from 2 losses of previous days. So what are you scared of? These guys encourage me to be doing this every day. Share this friend, family. To be nice, man. Probably I will have to reschedule the time. I don't know. But this is the best time for me anyway. So what are we expecting, guys? What are we expecting? What are we expecting? This based on how far price have moved, though this order is still valid, but will it be triggered today? I don't think so, except there's high part news. reach none for today. So we already reached a point that would have moved this to break even. So to be honest, let's just wait. But if it comes and it closes below our open, we just need to take a little loss, because to me, probability is not slim, but it's still possible, right? Still possible. Alright guys, it's boring because it's boring to do live by yourself. Really boring. Interesting day. At least we got this one, right? We got it. Very sniper, right? That's it. So imagine you even lost 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you got on this day, that is, you lost day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, all 1%. And you got this, and this is 6%. What are you talking about, guys? Right? You still have 1% profit for the week if you decide to end the week today. So why are you stressing yourself? Right? Why are you stressing yourself? I'm glad I'm learning. But you really need to stress yourself. Of course, if you back test, you should know what your probability of win is. Like if you can win like you need like if you win 1 to 2, you have 1 to 2 arrow, right? And you win, let's say 60% of the time, right? You are in profit, right? And if your R can be 3, right? And you win 60% of the time, that's even more profit for you, right? Even if you want, let's say if you 1 to 1, like every time you risk 1%, you make 1%, and you are right 60% of the time, just 60%. 60%, it's not 60% now. Why am I confusing you guys? It's not. Okay, yeah, 1 to 1 should be around 60, right? Then 1 to 2, right? 1 to 2, if you win 50% of the time, you make money, right? Then 1 to 3, 40% of the time you make money, right? 40% of the time. Then imagine if you can get 4 reward every time you risk 1, right? You just need to be right 30% of the time. Then imagine you get 1.5, you just need to be right 20% of the time. And if you can get 1.6, right, every time, you just need to be right 10% of the time. Abi, is that not right? So why are you stressing yourself to make at least something, money, right? Small money, right? But please, a trader should aim for like 65% win rate, right? To be profitable long term, because this is going to help you withstand pressure, right? Prayer, and of course your psychology, right? Your psychology, right? So if you win 65% of the time, which is a good win rate, and your risk to reward is just 1 to 1, right? If you are not comfortable like we just did, right? Like we just did, we took this trade, we put our stop loss there, price immediately went. I think around 6, I should have exited when price was pulling back, because the moment price get to this level in the fib, that's the profit for this move, right? But I've exited, right? So that's 6R. But if you are afraid to put your stop loss here, which there's really no reason for you to be afraid, I decide to put your stop loss because you are afraid, right? Try to put your stop loss maybe here, or even lower than your previous entry, right? And you exit as 1 to 1, right? So technically 1 to 1, right? You need to win 60% of the time, 65%, at least more than 50% of the time, right? At least more than 50. So your win rate should be more than 50, greater than 50, right? Greater than 50. But at 50 you'll be break even. But once if it's greater than 50, 0.1, right? You made this for the month, for the week, whatever, right? So you try to put your mind in the probability mindset, if you think in probability, you will be less stressful and trading will be very easy for you to navigate. So by 1:30, I think I should change the time. So around 1 o'clock. I need to go and rest because the stream is boring. Nobody online for me to communicate with. So I guess I'll just end it at 1 p.m. Let me go rest, right? Go rest and take care of myself. Money will definitely come. When is not is what I cannot tell, but I know money will come. So 7 minutes time, guys. I'll be exiting the live. There's a very possibility this is gonna work out, right? Very possibility price is gonna pull back, take us in, at least give us something, right? Because price has not reached to where I expect a reversal from. So there's still a possibility price is gonna pull up if price intend to go up. But there's a pattern that I will see in price, I will change my mindset, I will change my bias, right? Then of course do the opposite. Like as it stands, if this one close below, right, and another bar close below, I will just set up and that's it, guys. If it works out, hit this, that's 2. If you go back to my entry that I expect, right, I think entry is there. If it goes to our entry, that's 3, right? So we made 3 being smart. That's it. If this works out, if this did not work out, we lose 1% from what we've made, and we'll come the other day or wait for this other one. We'll come another day, right? Don't be scared to come another day, right? It's part of it. But if you close below this line, good is good for this low to be taken. Probably come to our entry, right? Our entry is unique anyway, so we are waiting. Unfortunately, I'm not sure because the chat is boring. I don't know. Nobody live with me, just talking to myself. Oh, if I can get people live, to be interesting to learn together. That's the essence of this live. That's the essence of this live stream. I want to create a community of like minds, right? And get things done. So losing streak is not a signal for you to quit. Please don't quit because you've lost, right? There's always opportunity for another day, right? There is always another day. Another day. Wow. We don't have a follow-up. Maybe that would have worked out. Wow, this This is good. This would have triggered, but this is cute. This is excellent. Wow. Amazing, man. Imagine you waited and you took no profit. Look at what would have happened to you. The question is, why is it sniper? And of course, I know I should exit here. At least when price break below this, I break even. Right? You're just waiting for a reversal sign. When this rejection occurred here, the rejection did occur here. It did occur here as I expected. I saw it here. I'm taking it off. Right? That's done. That trade is done. That trade is done. So this trade is done. We'll look forward to another trade. Yeah. So technically, if we have time, this is another trade right there, confirmed trade, right? So this, but if price comes and hits this before coming here, this is not valid. You remove this, right? So I think this entry style for me is good, right? For live setup, right? But there are other factors that if I were to be offline, that I'll be looking for, right? But I think this is good for online, right? At least people wants to see you win, right? So they've seen one win, right? If this did not go down too deep at the moment, I won't even consider, although this is still a valid entry anyway. Still a valid entry. Well, this entry is superb. If you can risk it, this is superb entry. Why? Because this eye of this bar close below, kind of change of character bar. So, but this is also a good entry. Alright guys, sorry, I thought I would be able to do for the next 30 minutes, but I cannot. See you again. Bye for now. Please leave a like, comment. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Let me go and rest.